Now that we are familiar with if else statements and how to use them, it's time to learn about the alternatives that are more flexible, readable, and just as powerful. Let's dive into 2 advanced logic tools that will go way beyond the basic if else to make you a better programmer. Say hello to switch statements and ternary operators. A switch statement can turn one value into another. For example, the numbers 1 to 12 represent the months of the year. Using a switch statement, we can assign those numbers to their respective months. Let's remove that black box and see how this works. When a case matches, the corresponding block of code is executed. We use the break keyword to exit the block. Without the break keyword, we experience a fall through, which is useful when multiple cases share the same outcome. For instance, at a movie theatre, children 12 and under and seniors 65 and over get concessional tickets. We can use a fall through to handle both cases with the same block of code, assigning a ticket price of $15. Everyone else defaults to $25. Sometimes, you may want a sequential flow of events. For example, at a fast food chain, if a customer orders a big hamburger and there's a promotion for additional fries, you can leave out the break keyword to flow from the hamburger case into the fries case. But be cautious with fall throughs to ensure the logic makes sense. For example, adding a drink to the hamburger order does make sense, but not if the customer only ordered fries. Hope that made sense so far. Let's move on to something easier, which is the ternary operator. Ternaries are great for making simple decisions on one line of code without using a full if-else statement. It works by evaluating an expression. If true, it returns the code after the question mark. Otherwise, it executes the code after the... Oh, what is that? Is it a colon or a semicolon? Okay, colon. Hey, don't judge. I use ternaries often, but I don't know the name of that symbol. It's just eyes on the smiley face. Let's look at an example now. If you're hungry, then eat food should be assigned to true, with the alternative being false. You can also use it for simple logic, like if it's raining, drive to work. Otherwise, walk to work. And that's all there is to a ternary operator. Today, we explored how switch statements and ternary operators can make your code more efficient and readable. These tools are essential in a programmer's toolkit. If you'd like to learn more about programming with me, be sure to subscribe. I also give basic tips and recount stories of my time as a programmer if you're interested. Until next time, this is Micro, logging out.